Pinky's got a big surprise for Ratty. A whole bunch of new Sprunki toys. Of course, new is such a relative word. Still, he comes with a bunch of accessories. Like your very own Mr. Fun Computer. He's popular, but he needs a little chemical X. Aw, they grow up so fast. Now he's a supercomputer. Plus, he's got a new blue sky just for you. And inside him is a brain? Penny for your thoughts? Either way, it's squishy. Hey, look at that. An egg. Hold it. We just need to supersize it. Hey, it's got binaria. Let's take a look inside. Wow, it's a giant cactus. Seems like a fun guy. I wonder if he's part mushroom. Hey, binaria. I think some introductions are in order. Actually, I think you two could be real close. That is, of course, if we make a few adjustments. Ooh, the computer comes with free refreshments. Just keep them away from the keyboard. Wow, after all this time, they joined forces. Can you imagine what they made together? Well, it's a liquid. I know. Let's go fishing. Should be easier than that barrel. We caught something. Hey, it's a tiny little sky. Is there anyone else in here? It's a little Simon. And he's lemon-scented. Ooh, tiny clucker and his tiny, tiny hat. Huh, fishing's thirsty work. Let's add some fizz and relax with a nice drink. Don't skimp on the bubbles. Hey, what else is in here? Wow, a mini vending machine. Doesn't seem empty. What are you waiting for? Toss a coin in. Try to buy a bunch if you can. After all, we've got company over. Hey, it's a Pinky box. I wonder what's inside. A Pinky toy, and she's got a need for speed. Just rev her up and watch her go. Ooh, do you think she'll stick the landing? Was there ever any doubt? And that's not all. She also comes with some shiny pink slime. Slime is already great on its own. But wait until you add the toppings. Just like pizza, so knead it like dough. Which is also pizza related. Sorry, I'll move on. Next up, it's a tiny Pinky copter. That Pinky, she's always got her head in the clouds. Ooh, Simon's ready for Halloween. But I think he could sure use a trim. Simon's been holding out on us. Just look at this toy. And we've got the perfect solution. Bubble solution. Come on, fill up the room. Bubbles for all. This next toy's pretty small, but give it time to grow. And inside, it's another tiny little box. It's a mini Pianosaurus bank, so it needs mini money. Now that's what I call service with a smile. Next up, we've got a dinosaur scoop. But why go digging up fossils when we can bring dinos back to life? But maybe we should cut them down to size. You must be this small to slide on down. And the best part, when you're done, you can go again. Next up, it looks like we've got a safe, and it's pink. It's locked. We gotta figure out the code. First, solve the matching Sprunki repo game on back. Looks like it's color-coded. We've cracked the code. Let's just hope it works. 3, 4, 5, right in order. How convenient. And look, we're rolling in semi-bots. But why don't we give them a spiffy Sprunki makeover? Ratty, Binaria, and Durple, but 2.0. Guess you can never have enough Pinky. Or Sky. Or Semi-Hemi. How far do you think it goes? We're reaching the center. A tiny Simon ball. It's just what we need for our toy maze. Let's take it for a spin. Avoid the hurdles. Quick, try the bridge. Just avoid that hole. Don't worry, you've got another life. Maybe Sky will have more luck. Or not. Okay, Pinky, it's your turn. Let's hope the third time's the charm. Careful about that bridge. You made it. It's Pinky's world. We're just living in it. These Sprunkis sure take sandbox time seriously. I know how it looks, but I still think there's buried treasure here. Orin, what are you doing here? I see. Everyone's buried in the wrong plot. Either that or the tombstones got mixed up. Don't worry, these aren't really our Sprunki friends. Squeeze them to see what color's inside. You know, a lot of people have red inside them. Next, what's your favorite flavor of lemonade? Make it pink. Made from pink lemons, I think. Ratty, green or blue? Yeah, green goes great with red. Orange, purple or red? Makes sense. We already did red. Last but not least, Sky, pink or orange. Just like the juice. Hey Ratty, your mini-me doesn't look too good. You think you should be wearing gloves for this? Well, that is one stretchy little guy. Maybe all this guy needs is a little makeover. Let's add a little fire to your flair. Wow, aren't you a spicy little pepper? Wow, the Sky just laid an egg. What's inside? A baby chick. Well, that seems normal enough. At least until you give her a good stretch. Marshmallow chicks have nothing on you. Ooh, she laid an egg. Wow. Anyone want breakfast? Well, time to get cracking. What, are you adding salt to taste? Now, let's heat things up. Give it a stretch. Who says you can't play with your food? Let's play a game. Customize some Sprunki friends. They're cute, but they could use some faces. Just add water. Maybe we should just draw them on. Kind of blank, but to each his own. Maybe get these guys a towel or something. Ray looks sleepy. Wake up! The sun is shining! Why don't you let the light inside you? Here's a little something to wash it down with. I think someone needs a quick shave. This is why I said quick, not good. Either way, keep digging. Here comes the sun.
Wow!
Ooh, who knew the sun was so absorbent? Careful, don't squish his face too hard. Warren's feeling lighter than air these days. You probably should have covered those spikes. Hey, the confetti! There's something inside. A marker? Let's add some color to this tape. Now throw on some sprinkles. Is that clear? Hey, what are you chewing? Is that clay? Wait a minute, it's our old pal Sky. Well, rainbows always go with Sky. And so does a whole lot of air. Who turned off the lights? Garnold? Aw, got a headache. This should help. More importantly, we've got crafting supplies. Run this needle through the glue and around the balloon. Give it a quick pop, and the yarn should stay in place. Add eyes and a bow, and it's Pinky. And look, she really lights up a room. Durple's got a good head on his shoulders, but he won't be standing tall for long. Maybe we should start from scratch. Like our purple Durple paper doll. Sprunkies, like onions, come in layers. Rolling your eyes? Well, I thought it was funny. Mr. Tree's here for a pruning, and just in time. To be fair, I guess a worm's gotta eat too. And you've got all sorts of stuff in your leaves. We'll put this bag to better use. Fill it with paint. Add clucker on top and squeeze those pores. Ooh, an apple. It's filled with slime. Aw, I was hoping for a worm. Either way, let's slice up a cucumber. It's got slime too, and it's pink. Add some glue and keep on mixing. Now wrap it up with double-sided tape. Let's put a happy face on things. And we've got Pinky. Chocolate ice cream. Uh-oh. Okay, that's impressive, but I still wouldn't eat it. Doggy's got what you need. Some paper. Cut it up and roll it into a cone. Add a straw right at the bottom. Now fill it up with plastic wrap. Next, blow it up like a great big balloon bubble.
Wow!
Looks like somebody got the point. What we need here is a plant expert, Vinaria. These thorns will help her move across the board. And pretty soon, she's won the race.
Yay! Uh-huh.